What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. And today we're looking at the Mini Massage Gun by MARNUR. Now, the cool thing about this massage gun is it has a built-in 2000 milliamp hour battery and is a super compact size. So you can see here, it is very much handheld. I've had a few other ones of these and they're more of a gun shape or whatever. This is something that you can actually hold in your hand and really get into the crevices of the muscles and all that good stuff. So that's actually really, really cool. It has a USB-C port to charge it. And if we hold this button, you can see it turns on. And then, of course, if we press the button, there are 4 different speed stages. And then if we hold down the button again, it turns back off. So pretty straightforward usage. It does come with a little cloth bag here, which is useful because of the accessories. So we have a bunch of standard heads here for different types of muscle working. We have this flat rounded head. We have a dual head. We've got a sphere head. And we've got a pointed head here for more direct muscle working. So all these different heads here. Let's go ahead and put these in. And I'll keep one out. They have a screw-on design, so it's not just a pop-on. It actually ensures they won't come off. You actually like twist it on, and then it's good to go. And then when we hold this down, you can see that it's working. So very cool. It works really well. Lets you really get in on yourself. It's not too bulky, so it's actually easy to handle on your own muscles. And I'm a huge fan. I actually have a bad back, and I feel like I constantly pull my back and my neck because of it. I actually have scoliosis. So this is really, really useful to me. So again, this is by MARNUR. I'm going to put a link to this in the description below, and definitely check them out. Oh yeah, and you get a USB cable too, just to make sure you can charge it. So everything you need, it comes with here. 2000 milliamp hour battery. It's going to last you quite some time, at least for a full massage session. I haven't had it run out on me yet. And I've used it for maybe 3 days now. So yeah, pretty solid device. Definitely check them out in the link below. Hope you have a good one. Peace.